Hi, welcome to my kitchen. My name's Lance Behning, and today I'm going to be making a recipe from Taste of the Jungle, the multimedia sales and production class designing, creating, and selling a cookbook with a plethora of recipes. Today I'm going to be making Cynthia Allen's fudge brownies. Let's take a look and see what we need. Alright, we have all of our ingredients for the actual brownies right here. Not too many to work with. We're going to start off with 1 cup of butter, 2 cups of granulated sugar, 4 eggs. You can use basically whatever size eggs you like to use. 3 teaspoons of vanilla, 4 ounces of unsweetened chocolate chips. Now you can use semi-sweet, but you might need to look and see how much less sugar you'll need for the recipe. Lastly, we have 1 cup of flour. Now you can use 1 cup of chopped walnuts if you'd like, but I'm not using it for this recipe. Alright, now let's take a look and see what we need to do to make those brownies. Now that we have our melted butter and chocolate chips, it's time to add the flour, sugar, vanilla, and eggs and mix together thoroughly so we can get it ready to bake. I microwave the chocolate chips and butter for about 2 minutes, stirring every 30 seconds, but it depends on your microwave. Now it's time to put our brownie mixture into a 9x13 pan. Once your oven's preheated, you'll need to let it bake for 30 to 40 minutes. Alright, now that our brownies are done baking, we're going to let them cool off, get down to room temperature, and we're going to make our frosting. What we'll need is half a box of chocolate, 1 box of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, half a cup of milk, and 1 stick of butter. Like with the brownies, you want to take your chocolate and melt it in with your butter, and then you add your powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla. Once your brownies are cooled to room temperature, you can put on your frosting, refrigerate, then cut to serve. If you have a favorite recipe you'd like to share, you're in luck. The Taste of the Jungle cookbook is still hungry for more recipes. If you'd like to submit a recipe of your own, you can find Taste of the Jungle on Facebook or emailing tasteofthejungle@gmail.com.